Hello and welcome to this playbook on how to drive Salesforce adoption using your Seismic platform. My name is Sean Adams, a CRO over here at IORAD, and we put together this guide after helping hundreds of organizations leverage Seismic to be a digital adoption force for technology stacks, primarily Salesforce and other software tools around the sales tech stack. In this guide, we're going to go through specifically from an overview standpoint, the framework to how to think about adoption, all the way down to the step-by-step tactics on how you're going to execute and optimize this inside your Seismic and in your Salesforce instances as well. Our goal is to help you hit your outcome targets with your adoption strategy, whether that's driving operational efficiency, doing things like helping with visibility inside a technology tool like Salesforce, decreasing support and enablement functions, relying more on self-serve content so that your teams can really be empowered to adopt the technology that's available to them. Or moreover, just drive the ROI on the expensive technology stack that your organization has. We hope this guide is helpful. This is something that we do as a work in progress as we meet with customers and as we're developing our strategy ourselves. Please reach out. We'd love feedback as you're implementing these yourself. We'd be happy to discuss this with you any way we can.